Yes sir, alas 12 na, Jebe Matyaga, birthday na. Shout out sa'yo, magandang Ate Rosel, belated happy birthday, ingat palagi. Shout out din sa'yo, George Alan Verde, sana all, palaging Verde. Joke lang, ingat palagi. Kalikasan, huni ng mga ibon, panalo. Tamang pahinga, food trip, sa ilalim ng puno habang hindi pa nalalagas ang mga dahon dahil next month taglagas na. Hihingi po ako ng regalo mga matyaga. Pa-follow naman po ng aking page. Yun lang, salamat. Let's eat, matyaga.
Salted caramel.
Howie.
Hello, Sir Jerry. I have a question. On September 28, what holiday do you celebrate?
It's a celebrate like check how to say. I don't know really. Something's happened in the war. And we celebrate that day. You know, we was
A victory?
yes, it's like a victory,
Czech
but
Republic.
it's not a victory, but something like that.
Pinagdiriwang ang araw ng Estado sa Czech Republic noong Setyembre 28. Ang statehood day ay kilala rin bilang Wenceslas Day. Si Wenceslas ay ang Duke ng Bohemia at pinanganak sa Prague noong 907 AC. Siya ay pinaslang noong Setyembre 28, 935. At ang petsang iyon ay araw din ng kanyang kapistahan sa mga simbahang Katoliko at Ortodokso.
Again, happy birthday.
Thank you, Sir Jerry. Sir Jerry, please shout out Jebe Matyaga.
Jebe Matyaga.
Jebe
Matyaga.
Yes, thank you, Sir Jerry.
Hello.
Hello, Philippines. This is Sir Jerry, a good citizen here in Czech Republic and very nice guy.
Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye.